This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil on a Toyota 86. First, gather all your necessary tools like a wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure you also have fresh engine oil, a new oil filter, and a new drain plug gasket ready. Park your car on a level surface and let the engine cool down completely before you begin. Now, let's get that old oil out. Carefully locate the drain plug on the bottom of your oil pan and remove it, allowing the used oil to flow into your drain pan. Make sure it all drains out completely. Once it's empty, clean the area, put a new gasket on your drain plug, and tighten it firmly back into place. Next, remove the old oil filter with your oil filter wrench. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, then add the recommended amount of new engine oil through the filler cap. Check your owner's manual for the correct oil type and capacity. Finally, start your engine and let it run for a minute, then shut it off. Check for any leaks around the new filter and drain plug. After a few minutes, check your oil level on the dipstick and add more if needed to reach the full mark. You've successfully changed your oil. For more great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.